Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about exception handling in C++ programming. Errors in the program disrupt the normal execution of the program, and the exception handling handles the errors and the exceptions so that the normal program execution does not disrupted by those errors. Errors can be divided into two types: compile time error. These are the errors which can be detected at the compile time. Secondly, we have the runtime error. The runtime error occurs during the execution of the program, and the runtime errors are more problematic than the compile time error. So the exception handling is a way of handling unexpected circumstances like the runtime errors. And whenever error occurs in the program, the control will be transferred to the handler. So whenever some error occurs in the program, then the control will be transferred to the handler, and the exception handling will make the code more readable and also easier to maintain because of the separation of the error handling code from the normal code. So in the process of exception handling, we separate the error handling code from the normal code. This will improve the readability and also make the code lot more easier to maintain. And the exception handling is done using the try, catch and the throw keyword. So first of all, we use the try keyword, and inside the try block we put the code to be tested for error. So any kind of error prone code or the code that has the possibility to generate some exception, we put that inside the try block. And then we use the throw keyword, and we can throw the generated exception, and then right after the try block we have the catch block, and the thrown exception will be received by the catch block, and the code inside the catch block will be executed to handle the errors. So in this example program, inside the main method we have the integer variable a, b and result. The result will store the division of a by b. Now because the value of b is 0, so this line of statement will generate error in the runtime because we cannot divide one number by 0. Now to handle this exception and to prevent the program from crashing down, we can use the exception handling. So we use the try block and put the block of statement inside the try block which has the possibility of generating error. So we're gonna use the try keyword, and inside the try block we're gonna put the line of statement which has the possibility of generating error. And inside the try block we're gonna use the condition: if the value of b equal to 0, then we're gonna use the throw keyword and we're gonna throw the exception divided by 0. And right after the try block we're gonna have the catch block, and the catch block will take one constant character pointer as parameter, and the catch block will print that message onto the console. So in this program, because this line of statement can generate some error in the runtime, that's why we have put that inside the try block, and we have the condition: if the value of b is 0, then we're gonna throw that exception with the message divided by 0 exception. So the thrown exception will be received by the catch block, so the catch block will print that message onto the console. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output divided by 0 exception. So this way we can use the try, catch and the throw keyword to handle the generated exception in the runtime. This way the program will not be crashed because of the exception. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.